Here we have for sale this no VAT 2021 on a 21 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T6.1, so the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T32, which means it's got a 3.2 tonne gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre TDI Euro 6 diesel engine, in this case producing 150 PS, which is roughly 150 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a fantastic 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, and this is a short wheelbase Highline Kombi finished in the fantastic metallic indium grey. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Volkswagen Transporter Highline DSG Kombi of this age. There is a load of factory optional extras on this particular example, plus modifications that have been done by the previous owner and some with us during our preparation, and of course it's been right through our workshop as well. So we'll talk you through of course all of that, but also the service history. There's a brilliant service history with this vehicle, and have a really close look at the condition, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here, then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with a rear glazed tailgate. So tailgate is one door which comes up like so, and glazed of course meaning it has got the rear glass, and you can tell this is factory because it's got the rear wiper, and you can also see the heating elements there in the rear screen as well. A couple of modifications to speak of here at the back. So we've got the rear spoiler which has been added, again all nicely color coded in the body colour, which is always very nice to see. And this one has got a very nice carbon rear bumper protector there as well. Now on a Highline you do get parking sensors, so you get rear parking sensors and front parking sensors on a T6.1 completely as standard, but what you don't get as standard is a reversing camera. So that's the first factory optional extra to speak of on this particular vehicle. In terms of condition here, and you'll see this is a theme as we go around, it is in absolutely stunning condition. Certainly for a van of this age and mileage, it is in exceptional condition, it must be said. You can see the lovely fleck to the metallic paintwork there as well in this sunlight here today, but you can just see how clean and tidy this is. As always, our guys have done a really nice job of fully detailing the vehicle, and it really does show very nicely indeed. Opening up the back of the van, lots to talk through here. So we can see to start with that it has been completely carpet lined. Not only has it been completely carpet lined, but this van has been extensively insulated, and we can tell that without pulling off panels. We can tell that with how dead these panels are. So when you knock on these panels, it is a very dull thud, and that tells us that, as I say, it has been extensively insulated in there, which is a very nice thing to see. The previous owners have clearly gone to a lot of expense and a lot of care to get that done, and that really does show then when it comes to driving the van, because it really does help to sound deaden in the back of this van so much. So as a carpet lined, we've got a full suede headlining there as well, with some nice LED spotlights. There's a couple of little nets and things like that, some little cargo nets on the side there, which of course you could take off if you wanted to. And also within the carpet lining, you can see there are Pioneer rear speakers that have been added back here as well. So for your rear passengers, definitely helps to give much more sound in the back there, more of a surround sound feeling throughout the van. In terms of condition, again, you can see how clean and tidy this is. The Highline does come with this nice soft touch rubber matting just there, and that's all in really good order, and you can see the tie down points are all there as well to help tie cargo down. This is the correct placement of the toolkit, and you can also see this blue bag here, and that is for the detachable tow bar. So that is another optional extra on this example, that it has got the detachable tow bar just there, and the electrics are hidden up there, and you can pull them down, and that's where you can see you've got your 13-pin electrics just there. While we're down here as well, have a really close look at the condition of the rear bumper. There's a couple of small little touch-in little marks just there, but that is about all that I can fault this on at the back of the van. But in here, very nice indeed. Few things again to note here, so the eagle-eye viewers will see these boxes on the side here, and that tells us that this van has got another very special factory optional extra. Inside the back of the tailgate, again, all that is carpet lined, and again that has been extensively insulated as well, completely dead there at the back. Looking down here, down the passenger side, and you can again just see here in the reflections how straight and true this is. There's a tiny little blemish I can see just there. but and a little tiny blemish just there as well. But other than that, it is looking really clean and tidy, as you can see there down the passenger side. Very, very nice indeed. So those boxes tell us that this has got twin electric side loading doors. So you can pull on the handle like I just did there, and the door will open up completely for you. There's 2 other ways that you can open them as well. 3 other ways I should say you can open them as well, which I'll show you throughout this video. And having a look in the back of here, this brings us on to another optional extra, and this one has got the 2+1 split rear seating, and also a nice feature on this, that this has had full, all these seats have been completely reupholstered in this sort of leatherette as well. I wouldn't call this full leather, but as I say, it is a nice leatherette trim with this cross Bentley stitching. You can also see here the Isofix. You've got Isofix here across all 3 of the rear seats, but the factory optional extra, as I say, this one having a 2+1 split rear seating in the back, that allows you to gain access like that into the back of the van. From this position here, you can actually remove this seat, so you pull in on this handle there, that can just remove the seat altogether. But crucially, you've got this tab just here, so give that a pull, and that allows you to fold the seat down flat like so. And you can do exactly the same with this seat as well by pulling on this tab, so you can fold that one down flat as well. But with the 2+1, it means that you can operate this seat or that seat independently of the other. So you can just remove this seat or just remove that seat if you wanted to, if you wanted to load something longer in the back of you. Versatility is the key word here. It just gives you lots and lots of versatility and options in the back. In terms of condition, having a look at the step, the floor, you can just see how clean and tidy this is. Having a look at the back of the front seats there, all looking very, very nice indeed. Back of these seats are looking pretty good as well. I think there's a little mark on the back of this, yeah, just on the back here, a little mark just there on the back of these passenger seats. But as I say, generally speaking, for this age of mileage, it is looking really, really smart. You can see the headlining there really does set it off very well against the carpet lining. And if we open up the passenger door, then we can start to have a look inside here. So again, have a look at the plastics, all in really good condition here. Got the original wallet there as well, the leather wallet. Glove box is looking very nice, and then you've got the 2 single front seats, again all completely re-trimmed, which do really set it off very, very nicely. Lovely condition. With these being the captain's chairs, you have got the adjustable armrests as well, so you can set those to your desired height using the little roller underneath there. Now, I mentioned there's a couple of ways that you can open these doors, so another way is using these buttons here on the dashboard. So you can see this one illuminated, that tells us that door is open, so if you give that a push, that will then close the door on its own, and it does a nice little soft closure at the end. You can turn the system off here if you want to, so if you've got children maybe and you don't want them messing with the buttons, you can turn the system off, but crucially you can open the doors from here as well. So you can do it all on the dashboard. You can also do it on the key. So there's 2 keys of course supplied with the vehicle. On the key there'll be a button there to operate both of the doors. Now, some nice features on the outside of this van. So there's a nice set of gloss black trapezoid Sportline style sidebars. We absolutely love these. Really does set the side of the van off very, very nicely. You can also see then the Navis Twin 5 alloy wheels. Absolutely love these alloy wheels, the same wheels I had on my own T6.1 when I had one. I also really like the design because it ties in well with the sidebars also. I think it looks very, very nice indeed. We fitted brand new lowering springs all around on this van, so it's lowered by about 40mm, which we feel is the sweet spot between the look, so it allows those 20-inch wheels to fill the arches nicely, but also retaining practicality, so it's not too low here at the front. There's also a set of roof bars which have been of course added as well, and these ones have actually got crossbars on as well, so you can actually load some items up there as well if you want to. You've got LED headlights. That is another factory optional extra. I've said this many times in these videos before, but if I was ever speccing one of these, that is the first option I'd be looking for and the first option I'd be ticking, because the standard ones are, being completely honest, the standard ones are not great, but these are absolutely fantastic. Not only that, but they look nice as well, because you've got these lovely LED daytime running lights as well. Does transform the look of the front of the van. Some more big upgrades here at the front then. So you've got gloss black upper grills, gloss black lower grills, and also a gloss black front splitter as well. And I think when you tie all of that in against the Indian grey, which is just a timeless, classy and classic colour, with the lowering, the wheels, I think it just looks absolutely spot on. Let's have a really close look at the condition here then. So you've got a few stone chips, of course, to the bonnet, which you're going to get on any used vehicle. But this is actually, I would say, very good for its age and mileage. They've just been neatly touched in, but pretty much unavoidable. There's a few, of course, you're going to get here to the front end as well, but generally speaking, looking very, very nice indeed. Now, this vehicle has got a brilliant service history. It really is very impressive, the service history printout that we have got with this. We've got a load of the original invoices and bills, but basically this vehicle has been going back to Volkswagen since the start of its life, and has had everything done there, all of its servicing. It's had the DSG oil service, it's had multiple brake fluid changes. It really has been very, very well looked after. In the description of the full advert, we'll list the different dates and mileages and things like that, but it's been basically back to Volkswagen roughly every 10,000 miles throughout its entire life. So it's been there on numerous occasions, and as I say, been very, very well maintained. During our preparation though, Bridgend Van Care, which is our van specialist workshop, they've been right through it. We've given it a full service ourselves as well, just in preparation for and in readiness for sale. So it really is absolutely ready to go with a clean bill of health. Having a look inside here then, you can see inside the driver's door card there, the floor, the step, the driver's seat, it's all in really, really good order. And as I say, you've got those adjustable armrests, which I absolutely love, having the twin armrest there on the driver's seat. 2 keys, as I mentioned, and you can see here, these are the buttons there on the key to be able to open and close the door. The other way that you can do it, of course, are on the actual handles themselves. You can do it on there, and also the handle inside up there as well, so you can open and close the doors using that. You've got a leather flat bottom multifunctioning steering wheel on the left hand side. Then you've got adaptive cruise control on the left hand side. On the right hand side then you've got your onboard computer controls. Into the centre then 61,368 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly, then no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. Auto lights, auto wipers. Into the centre then, this one's also got heated front seats, which is another factory optional extra. Of course, air conditioning, which comes as standard. And then up the top then, this is where you've got the Highline screen here, which, as you can see on this screen here, gives you App Connect. So if you plug your phone into one of the USB-Cs just there, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto directly on this screen. And you've also got DAB radio on here, and you can of course connect your phone to this via Bluetooth as well. And when you put the vehicle into reverse, that's where your camera is displayed. So just to summarize then, 2021 on a 21 plate Volkswagen Transporter T6.1 Highline DSG Kombi, short wheelbase, no VAT to pay, which is going to be very attractive for a lot of viewers watching this. We don't get many T6.1s that are no VAT, so this one I'm very confident will not be with us very long. If you are interested, by all means get in contact to register your interest. We can take cars or vans in part exchange. We can also arrange funding at very competitive rates. So if you were looking for any finance on this particular van, we may be able to help with that, with rates at the time of recording starting as low as 9.4% APR for private individuals, 10.4% for limited companies, with a range of different HP terms available. Of course, all subject to acceptance and status. And we can, of course, deliver our vehicles nationwide as well. So if you're not local to us here in sunny South Wales, you can have this vehicle delivered directly to your door. If you'd like to see the full advert of this lovely no VAT Volkswagen Transporter T6.1, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk, and that's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got advertised. Thank you very much for watching.